Hi students, welcome back to our class. This is Swarpa ma'am. Today we will discuss about the external fertilization. I said you what is internal fertilization. See here my internal fertilization, it occurs in most of the animals, most of the mammals. Okay na? Animals, mammals means which give the birth. Mammals are nothing but the organisms which give birth to the baby directly and feed the milk, feed the baby with the milk. Those are called as the mammals. Okay, so internal fertilization occurs in the mammals, whereas if you go for the external fertilization, I said you in the earlier class itself ma, see here I said fish. Okay, male fish lays eggs, female fish lays eggs in the water, male fish travel through the water and just spray the sperms on the sperm cells. They are spraying on the egg cells. Okay, later these eggs and sperms, they fuse, eggs and sperm cells fuse to form zygote. Later this zygote is turned into embryo. So embryo is turned into the organism. Okay na? So sperms plus egg fusion, we will call that process as fertilization. Now here I just said that it is sprayed outside. It is sprayed outside. Sperm cells are spraying other than the organism. Okay, even female one also, it just laid the eggs and went away from there. Okay, so it did not occur. This process did not occur inside any organism. The fertilization process does not occur inside any organism. So that's why it has externally occurred, maybe in the water or outside anywhere else. Okay, so that's why we call this fertilization as a external fertilization. So I have taken egg here as a fish. So for you they have given a frog. Okay, frog as an example here. Okay, see here now life cycle of frog they have given. Life cycle of the frog, you know very well. Frog lay eggs. Okay, female frog lay eggs in the water, whereas male one goes and sprays the sperms on the eggs in the same way, just like a life cycle of fish. Okay, so what is happening here? The fish, fish immediately fish they have whatever, there is a time period. See here ma, for example human beings, the pregnancy period is 9 months. Even a fish has certain time period for the formation from the fertilization, from the zygote to the development of the organism, there is a time period. Okay, in the same way for the frog also, from the egg to the tadpole, and from the tadpole to the frog, adult frog will be getting. Okay na? So see here ma, how these stages has there. Just you go through this photograph. These are the tadpole life cycles of frog. Means tadpole, small one, later the tail develops, later the limbs, four limbs, hind limbs develops, later completely organism just like a parent they develop. Okay na? During the, what they have given for you is nothing but during the developmental stages. See here for example human beings will go for the example internal fertilization. See here from the first month it is just roundish. Okay, round zygote, single cell. Okay, later they undergo mitosis and they divide and form an embryo. Okay na, embryo. Later in the third month, what is the first organ formation ma? Heart is the first organ formation. Heart is formed, later blood vessels are formed, later hind limbs are formed. If you go for the scanning, look into the scan of the mother. Okay, so what happens, the womb scanning will be done now. 5th month, in that time when we see limbs will be developed, later lungs will be developed, completely 7 months, up to 7 months complete baby will be developed. Okay, so the nutrients is supplied from the mother itself, but here in the external fertilization it is completely different. It is out of the mother. The fertilization is occurring out of the mother. See here in the human beings itself, we can see just like a tail, everything like a tadpole only, just to be resemble like a fish and tadpole, dog, each and every organism embryonic stages we are same human beings, even this much big organisms, we are the large organisms. Just even the dog also resembles in the same way, even the fish also resembles in the same way. Okay, in the first 2-3 months, just like a tail part in this way will be there, in this way, okay, in this way. Later, later slight bent, okay, later slight face formation, okay na, later slight limb formations occurs in human beings. In the same way in frogs also, that from the tadpole onwards, for complete development of the frog, there is changes occurring. The tail will disappear. Even human being, they are telling that for frog only tail is present. Not that, even human being embryo, after the embryo formation is also, they are just, we have just like a tail, round tail like this. Okay. Later we develop into a normal legs are developed, normal limbs and hands and legs are developed for us. Okay. See here now, one experiment it is there for you. What is that experiment? Nothing but what are the experiment needed? Wide mouth transparent bottle. Wide mouth. For this experiment we require wide mouth transparent bottle. See here now, wide mouth transparent bottle. For this, mouth should be wider, mainly to collect the, this mouth, when it is wider, okay, that time we will call it as wide mouth transparent bottle. We will use this bottle to collect the eggs, which is present in the small dump, little bit stagnant water places, means water stayed for few days in that dump, okay, in that just like a small pond or small thing where the water is stagnant, there the eggs can be available. Frog eggs can be available, means they are laid by the frog, okay na. So they are laid by the frog. So mostly in the pond areas, stagnant water places, we find the frog eggs, okay. So to collect that eggs, what we have to do, we have to take this bottle and collect the eggs in the bottle filled with certain water, okay, pond water itself. So later we have to bring these eggs, okay, bring these eggs, and what we have to do, just see here ma, after collecting the eggs, take a tube of 15 centimeter depth and radius of 18, transfer the egg along with the weeds of algae you have collected from the pond. Carefully observe the eggs. You will find the blackish part in the middle of the egg. See here ma, they said that eggs, okay. So eggs we will collect, so that eggs has a certain time period for the release of a tadpole first, okay. From the eggs they will break up and they release the tadpole. That tadpole we have to absorb. So these eggs we will put in a tub, will absorb when the tadpole is released outside. That time period we will note, and when the tadpole, how it is developing, the tadpole starting inside, any organs are there or not there. First organ, which one is, it is little bit transparent only. Tadpole is little bit transparent only. We can observe which organs are formed, little bit heart, small heart, and what are the lungs are formed, different organs are formed or not. A frog has the same body anatomy, means just like our body organs only, even the frog also has. That's why we will dissect the frog in our BPC or during the MBBS practice. First they will dissect the frog itself, okay. So it has a resembling, means little bit heart formation, little bit organ formation occurs day by day. We have to note it according to the chart they have given in you. 20 to 27 day how much, 28 to 30 day how much, okay. This according to this you have to note it. For this experiment, lot of patience and careful should be taken. We have to transfer the tadpoles into the new water, fresh water. We have to supply the water just like a pond water environment in a tub. It should be given just like a pond environment. You have to put some algae, place some algae, some pebbles, just like small gravels and stones in that one, and give the conditions for the development of tadpole to frog, okay na, tadpole to frog. So this one Here always see here ma, from the egg stage to the adult stage, to the not adult, to the organism, complete development of the organism. Okay, so not the adult frog but completely to the development of the organism, complete frog, baby frog has to be developed. Okay, how, what is occurring, what are the changes occurring, we have to note in our observation. Okay, during the experiment, that is experiment given for you, and it is always changing its structure. It means it was just like a tail before, later hind limbs, forelimbs and hind limbs, forelimbs, hind limbs are developed. Okay, so that type of changes in the body is occurring, that's why we will call those process as, whatever the process during the change from the embryo to the complete organism stage, that process we will call it as metamorphosis. Okay, we are calling it as metamorphosis. Okay, na, metamorphosis. Meta means, see here, meta, beyond, morphosis, form, beyond form. See here, morphosis is nothing but change. Okay, beyond means before the development of a complete organism into a good baby organism. It was from the egg stage to larval stages, it has crossed the larval stages. Tadpole is a larval stage of frog only. Okay, so it has to cross these all levels, so it is changing, it is changing, so that changes we will call here it as metamorphism. Okay, metamorphosis also we can call. Okay, this is the experiment which is given for you. Another one is, see here, what they have given about story of Dolly, the clone they have given. Okay, this is about the external fertilization. Just we have to go through the observation, how we have to transfer the eggs from the into the tub. Okay, we have to clean away the tub, always same process just now what I have said. Okay, next thing is cloning process, story of Dolly, the cloning process. Cloning, just I will mention it as a cloning. So cloning was first given by Ian Wilmot, his colleagues at Roslin Institute in Edinburgh. Was clone baby was born, clone sheep baby, okay, was born on 5th July 1996 and died on 14th February 2003. Dolly is the first cloning sheep baby in our world. Okay, see here ma, Dolly, cloning is a process, nothing but, see here, we will, nucleus is present in animal cells, plant cells, you know very well. In bacterial cell DNA is present but it is naked. Even DNA technology is seen, means recombination of DNA is seen. See here, this is nucleus, in this genetic material is present. What is this genetic material? Okay, nothing but it is DNA. Okay, chromosomes are present, just directly I am telling you what are chromosomes, those are not needed for you. See here, DNA, genetic material is nothing but DNA. Hereditary characters are transferred from one generation. See here, I have, you might have your grandparents, your parents, resemblance means characteristics. Okay, characters you may have, means that is a characters which has transferred from the one generation to another generation. How it has transferred? Through the genes, DNA. Okay, na, genes is again nothing but, for your understanding I am telling you as DNA, means genetically you people are sending the genetical genes from one generation, you may send to your next generations. Okay, so resemblance characters are same. resemblance characters you are getting. Okay, here also artificially we are using a method called as cloning. We are using a method called as cloning. We are sending the DNA, we are using the DNA of one organism and inserting into the DNA of the another organism. Using the DNA of one organism and inserting the DNA into the another organism, that is called as cloning. So during cloning we get the characteristics, what character we require. See here, normal dog is present, which is roaming in our street. Okay, for that I want the genes of hutch dog, chubby, very chubby hutch dog genes I want in my dog. What we will do, we will take certain genes which is responsible for that chubbiness of that dog, hutch dog, you know very well, hutch dog, small one, with just a lot of fleshy flesh one. Okay, dog. Okay, Alsatian dog, just like an Alsatian dog. So what we will do, we will take the genetical characters in the lab in vitro, and we will combine its DNA with the DNA of DNA where it is present in our dog cell. Okay, in the dog cell DNA we will combine. Okay now, so here one DNA, hutch dog, I am writing hutch dog, you know very well, hutch dog DNA, this is DNA, this is the cell nucleus, in nucleus DNA is present. Okay, this DNA I am inserting into the cell nucleus, DNA here, so DNA, this is the DNA. So from here, this is the dog's DNA. From here to here I will cut and replace the DNA with this one, hutch dogs. This is normal dog. Okay, so normal dog DNA we will cut and insert in this place. This process we will call it as recombinant DNA technology. Okay, so we are using here also same way. Dolly, how the dolly is formed? What did this person, Ilan Velmet and his colleagues, what is his associates, what he has done? He has taken two sheep. One sheep name is Finn Dorset sheep. Another one is Scottish black face Eve. Okay, from this hybrid he has developed Dolly. See here, this is recombinant DNA technology. DNA inserting the DNA. Here, hope you understood what is cloning. Okay, for all this comes in your higher classes from now only. You have from 8 is the main thing, 8th and 10th. From here only you have to go through very deeply. Okay, see here, Finn Dorset sheep, and another one is Scottish black face Eve. This is another sheep. Okay, so both are female only. Okay, female means lady one. Okay, see here, Finn Dorset sheep's mammary glands. You know what are mammary glands? Where we extract the milk. Okay, from the mammary glands only. Our mother feed us from where? With the help of mammary glands. We feed milk from our mother. Okay, mammary glands are present in the sheep. So one of the cell he has taken from the mammary gland. That cell contains nucleus. Okay, now that cell contains the nucleus. So what happened here? He has taken the mammary glands nucleus. He has collected the mammary gland from which one? Finn Dorset sheep. He has collected Scottish blackface in, I said, sexual reproduction. In sexual reproduction, female sexual sex organ, in the female sex organ reproductive system, what is formed? Eggs are formed. Okay, here also in Scottish blackface Eve's female reproductive organ, from the female reproductive organ he has collected egg with the nucleus. Okay, egg compulsory content, egg cell. What he has collected? Egg cell. Okay, now egg cell contains a nucleus. So what he did? He removed nucleus. He removed nucleus. From where? From egg cell. So he removed the nucleus. Okay, there is no nucleus in this one, egg cell only. So what he did, he has inserted the nucleus in this one. Which one? Fin Dorset mammary gland cell he has separated now from that one, from fin gland. He has inserted the nucleus from the mammary gland cell nucleus into this one. Okay, and later he has done the fertilization, external fertilization or fertilization process. Okay, egg is much compulsory needed, along with that sperms are also needed, you know very well, for the fertilization process. So he might be done externally in the lab only, fertilization process, by taking the sperm cells from the other sheep. Okay, he got the baby with the character, the baby whatever he got from this one, nucleus is this one, body egg cell is from the Scottish black-faced Eve. Okay, so what the dolly, after fertilization, dolly has come through into the world. Okay, this dolly resembles the characters of fin Dorset sheep, this one. Okay, it is resembling the character of whom? We have inserted the characters of another one into some other egg. Okay, now into the mammary gland cells, nucleus DNA we have taken and inserted in the black-faced Eve, Scottish black-faced Eve. Now we got the organism of dolly which has the characters of fin. Actually only the nucleus is taken from this one. Fertilization, everything is of Scottish black-faced. Sperms are also Scottish black-faced only we will be using. Okay, but whose character we got here? Another some different character, some ex-person's character we got there. So dolly is one cloning baby, first cloning baby in the world. Okay, so dolly has the characters of, dolly sheep has the characters of fin Dorset sheep. So this experiments has gone like that only, it has gone, and at last we got number of cloning nowadays. So lot of cloning techniques are used for the production of, mainly for insulin, anything, any technological development in science, bioscience. Okay, so that is done by the cloning itself. Hope you understood. Thank you. Okay.